How to hide contacts on WhatsApp. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide contacts and messages on WhatsApp easily. So let's jump right into it. First things first, open your WhatsApp app and simply find the chat that you want to hide. Now simply swipe right and tap on archive. This moves the chat into the archive chat section, which is hidden from your main chat list. Next, you can simply mute the person that you don't want the notification of. Simply long press and tap on mute notification. Now this person's message or calls will be hidden from you. This will silence the chat. No pop-up notification, no sound. It says quiet and private. Now if you want to hide all the contacts, what you need to do is simply open the settings app, scroll down until you find apps, then simply find WhatsApp on the list of all the apps. Now what you need to do is simply tap on contacts and simply give non-access. Now when you try to simply open WhatsApp and chat with any of your new contacts, let's see, simply tap on the plus icon at the top. Here, as you can see, you need to enter a new phone number to start a new chat, as we have disabled the contacts. And that's it. That's how you can simply hide contacts and messages on WhatsApp.